Today, we're doing two things. We're going for a ride.
And testing out our new Cardos. Or Cardo. I guess there's two of them, because it's the Pack Talk Edge Duo.
Yeah, it's like they're called Cardo, but there's two, so it's Cardos. Today, we're doing two things. We're going for a ride. We're gonna go to a barbecue place called Commonwealth BBQ. Justin's gonna eat some meat. I'm gonna eat some French fries that hopefully haven't touched meat.
Yeah, right. And we're testing out our Cardo along the way so we can get all the post BBQ burps on camera. Whose burritos in my mouth? Cardo Pack Talk Edge. This video is absolutely not sponsored because we can't even say the company name right, but we're gonna get these babies on our helmets.
Yeah, this video is not brought to you by Cardo yet. That would be cool though. So we're gonna install them on our helmets. I have a Biltwell Gringo S. What's yours?
It is a Shoei RF SR. Baby! Here you go, here you go. Got some instructions we won't read.
So I think this like magnetic clicks into the thing.
Got a pocket guide. There's two of everything because it's a duo.
So, but first the installation. Step one, take the pads out of your helmet.
Okay, all right. So I guess we can put these babies back in here for a second.
We got excited.
I am so hot. It is a spicy one in the sun.
We had to close the umbrella because it was really dark.
Yeah, we looked like vampire human people.
We've actually never done this. Oh, it feels so weird doing this. Clearly I've never cleaned my cheek pads.
Gross. I also don't want to take these all the way out because they are connected somehow to the, there you go.
Okay, so my cheek pads are out.
All right, so here you go. Move on to that next section. I'm going to sit back in the sun, melt a little bit, and take my cheek pads out.
You should have sunscreen on.
Probably.
2, Velcro.
My cheek pads are exposed. Mother of God in hell with a pork chop sandwich and a whole side of onion rings. I am super hot. So we've got a little boom mic, then we got the speakers. This is the clip that goes on the outside of the helmet, USB to charge the unit, and we got some alcohol prep pads, and this is, oh, these are the clamps.
So that's all one.
Yeah, this is my whole setup.
Then this is another one.
So you're gonna have a whole setup. So what does it say to stick in first? The speakers?
Velcro.
Woo, baby. All right, let's do it. All right, so that took about 2 to 3 hours.
Yeah, you can tell because the sun is in a completely different spot. We're not directly in the sun anymore.
Yep, but we're all hooked up.
Yeah, we're on.
We got our Cardos, they're paired, they're nice, they sound good. You can set intercom levels. So when Bugsy's yelling at me to stop screaming Backstreet Boys, ooh, ooh, baby, baby. I've been waiting to have brisket today for 4 hours. We're supposed to go get French fries. Let's go. Baby, start over. Ready? What's up? That took about 3 hours.
She's not hooked up to anything?
Oh, yes, Dougie's just out here on the free.
Come here. You're going to get eaten by something. Okay. Jeepers.
My head hurts so bad.
Okay, so we're connected.
We're connected. It took about 3 hours, but it's good. We're in. Check it out. Got the Cardos on the side of the helmet. Got the apps going. We're connected to each other. Blasting some Metallica. Blasting some Lizzo, talking to each other while doing it. Only downside, but we're gonna fix it. We don't have Bluetooth connectivity for audio for the Hero 10. It comes on the Hero 12, but not the Hero 10. On the GoPro. So we need to get a Y cable so that we can run audio from our Cardo conversation into the media mod that Bugsy's wearing when we're on the cruises, and that's it.
Yeah, so basically for this ride, Justin and I will be able to talk to each other, but that audio won't be recorded.
Unless we're screaming.
On the video, yeah, which is normal, which in that case, we don't need the Cardos because that's what we've been doing.
No.
But it would be cool to be able to talk to each other because if you saw the video where I make a stupid mistake on a rented Harley in Nashville, Tennessee, Justin saw me.
That's where you'll put the video?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Justin saw me blowing a red light and he could have warned me, and that's what inspired us getting these Cardos in the first place. We immediately after pulled over and we're like, wait, how could that have been avoided? And we were like, well, if we had Cardos, Justin would have been able to tell me about it. And then you guys in the comments were also like, yeah, get Cardos. So we did it, and thanks for pushing us to do it. And now we're gonna ride safer and be able to like.
And now we're prepared to cruise with some new friends that we met at Triumph demo days.
You think they have Cardos?
Oh, absolutely. Every normal person has Cardos.
No,
we're probably
late
like
to
the last
game.
holdouts. We had bikes that don't run and no Cardos. I don't even know how we're alive. Anyway, cool. See you later. Chewy or not, I think the brisket's gonna be bomb. I don't know what one it is because we both got burritos. All right, we got to do the fried test. I want this one. These are fantastic. They're like just salty enough and they're crispy and crunchy. It's like a smiley face fry in the form of a stick. But I'm not sure whose burrito was where. Whose burrito's in my mouth? That one angry single star review that we read last night, that was like, we waited 15 minutes and our fries were cold. Meanwhile, I already have 3rd-degree burns on my mouth because the fries are so hot. This place is bomb.
So we both got burritos. One has meat and one doesn't. And now we don't know which is which. Justin's gonna have to bite both of them.
This one has rice in it. Does yours have rice in it?
They probably both have rice.
Here we go, first bite. It's like when you order an OJ and they bring you a milk and you don't see it and you just drink it.
That's meat. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
This is so good. It's brisket with slaw and peppers and onions, I think. Maybe beans. I don't know. It's called the Further South Burrito. It's wicked good.
Cranberry habanero hot sauce.
This is insane.
Can't wait to try that. How hot is this?
It's not. It's perfect. All right, what's it taste like?
So good.
This is the brisket burrito primo. We're coming back tomorrow. I got food on my face because it's so good. There's the food. I don't even need to wipe. I ain't wiping.
I've never had I've never had a burrito with a pickle in it.
How is it?
I got the veggie burrito.
What's in it?
I keep finding new things in it.
Oh, okay. All veggies, I hope.
Yeah. All veggies. A bunch of different sauteed veggies or grilled. I'm assuming it's grilled here. Because, I mean, even the tortilla's grilled.
Yes.
So good. It adds so much flavor.
And tell me a little bit about this.
This is the star of the show.
Wait, though. Rate the fry before we go to the sauce.
So 10 is the highest.
It's your scale.
Oh, okay. 10's the highest, 1's the lowest. I'd give it a 5. I knew you weren't gonna like that.
Baby. All right. Well, what happens if you dip it in this magic juice?
That increases. This increases the stars. That puts it 7 now.
Okay then. All right. I'm gonna sign off from Commonwealth BBQ Heaven on earth, brisket, southern burrito. Coming back. What? We're coming back.
The only thing that would make it better is if we were able to park our bikes right here. But
well, we definitely could have. It's nothing right there.
No, it's cool because it's cool that we couldn't park them right there because when we got here, this place was full.
Yeah, actually it was packed. I didn't expect it to be packed on a Sunday night.
I love to see that. So, I won't take away a star for the parking.
All right. Well, we're going to sign off from the Commonwealth BBQ. Whoa, whoa.
See you over there. Hi, thanks again. That was really good. All right, let's share our thoughts on the Cardos.
All right, so the Cardos are cool. Definitely novelty that you can listen to music and stuff, but I don't know how much I like that. It's good
Even though you were listening to music the whole time.
Well, half of it, and then I shut it off because I got freaked out. But it's cool to be able to communicate.
I was saying to Justin, like, as we were riding, I feel like a sense of calm almost. Just knowing that I can like warn him of things or that he can warn me of things immediately in directions, and it's just like, it's, yeah. I immediately before, like when we left our house, even before we were talking to each other, I noticed just like a different feeling of just like, okay, like we can be in contact with each other immediately.
Yeah, there's also like GPS sometimes will throw different routes.
Yep.
So where it tells you to go left for some reason and me to go straight, we can just say which way are we going.
Yeah.
It's good. It's
but
good
like
for safety
yeah.
check-ins. I think it's cool. We got to get used to them. It's real weird that you're in my helmet.
I know.
I've never been. Yeah, I know. But I'm gonna stick about 16 pounds of toilet paper up my nose and we're gonna ride home.
Yeah, Justin's got bad allergies. Mine are finally better.
So you just take one of these.
Yeah, you want a tutorial on the Mantell way?
You just take this and you get it in there. And then it sits out about 6 inches, like a ripcord. Yeah, this is great. And oh, I should braid it. Wait, it's like a mustache. And then you just cruise down the road and it doesn't leak into your mouth.
Yeah.
Bye. This video is brought to you by Post BBQ Burps.
Oh, you get a booger.
Oh, good. Is it gone?
No, it's like.
Oh, you want me to get it out from inside?
I knew you were gonna do that.
All right.
Okay.
Well, I don't know where to wipe this now. All right, so...
Wipe it on your pants like a normal person.
It's on the chair. Okay, so we've got the Pack Talk Edge. We've got them both hooked up, synced to each other, I guess, in the app. They sound great. Metallica sounds great.